of diving a little bit deeper into the concept of arena node. So here in this single agent game we just designed, in the global manager, there's a script called arena node attached to it, and also there's a script called global manager attached to it. In the prefab basic agent, there's a script called arena node attached to it, and also a basic agent script attached to it. So as you can see here, in both the global manager and the basic agent, there's a script called arena node attached to the game object. So the arena node is a very basic concept in Arena Building Toolkit framework. The global manager is the node of the top level, and the agent is the node of the bottom level. The concept of arena node will be better understood after this tutorial, because in this tutorial I'll be building teams so that you can see how we can have a population with arena node defining the population's social paradigm. So let's here first play around in the arena node script at current structure. So in the global manager, unfold arena node, you can see there's several parameters you can set. Say here, since there's only one agent, it's not obviously we don't want to use this reward function competitive. We just use collaborative, and let's use the reward function of is reward time. And here this parameter called longer, which means that the agent and the child of this arena node will be rewarded with the reward function based on the time it is alive in the whole game. And the longer the agent survives on this playground, the higher the reward is, since you are selecting longer. And if you're selecting shorter, then it means the agent should be died as soon as possible in this playground. See, I run the game. I rush to the dive pool and kill myself. I got a reward of 0.17. And at this episode, if I stay a little bit longer and then kill myself, I got a reward of 0.69, which is bigger than the first episode reward of 0.17, because I stay on the playground for a longer time. And if you set this parameter to shorter, then the reward function is reversed. So eventually, if you are learning, if the agent is learning, the agent will know that it should get to the dead floor as fast as possible so that it can get a higher reward. Now let's look at how we can use arena node to build a game with 2 players. So here, let's first create a child, create another agent, simply duplicate the 2 agents, and since there are 2 arena nodes under the arena node of global manager, we need to set the ID of the second basic player of the second arena node to 1. And let's move this 2 agent a little bit so that it is not on the same position. Now here, since we have 2 agents under the global manager, under the arena node of the global manager, we can set the reward function to competitive reward function, which is reward ranking. And also there's 2 options under reward ranking, survive or depart. Which means if you select survive, the agent that is dead at the last place in the playground will get a higher reward. And if you select depart, the agent that died in the first place in the playground will get a higher reward. So here, let's see the game. We want the two agents to compete with each other on who stays on the playground for a longer time. Then we can use is reward ranking and select ranking win tab survive. Now let's see in this game